The world came closer to ending than most people will ever realize. Not in a distant war, not over years, but in just 13 days, when a single mistake could have erased everything. In October 1962, American spy planes captured something chilling over the island of Cuba. Missile sites under construction. Not.
Look at that! 60 seconds of content created while you did absolutely nothing. Not a single dollar spent. Let me walk you through exactly how it happened. First thing you need to know, this whole process is completely free, zero cost. And yes, it runs on full autopilot. One click generates every image you need. Another click turns each scene into a finished video clip. Fourth step, and this one matters most. These videos are 100% monetization ready. Want real evidence? Take a look at this channel. Just 30 videos uploaded, but over 137,000 subscribers already. Scroll through their most popular uploads. Most have crushed 1 million views easy. So if anyone tells you documentary channels can't pass YouTube's approval process, this is your proof they're wrong. That finished documentary has 4 elements. Let's take them one at a time. For this walkthrough, I'm handing you a complete master prompt, totally free with everything built right in. We're talking image generation, video generation, story structure, script, all of it handled automatically. To grab the master prompt, just type prompt in the comments section below. Once you've got it, copy the entire thing, including the user input area. Head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit run. Here's what happens next. ChatGPT will first give you 10 topic ideas based on what you selected. Like one? Great, keep going. Not feeling it? Just ask for more. I'll take your chosen topic and move forward. Step 2, after you generate, delivers a highly engaging script. Step 3 gives you a scene-by-scene breakdown so you can see exactly how it flows. Step 4 provides AI image prompts for every single scene. And Step 5 includes animation prompts to turn those images into video with a secret tool no one talks about. Now let's talk about the voice. First, search for Google AI Studio and open the text-to-speech section. If you don't see it right away, go to What's New and click Generate Speech with Gemini. Then select the Master Storyteller template. Leave the model defaults alone. Don't touch them. Inside speaker settings, choose a delivery tone, something like empathetic. Adjust the pacing for shorter, more natural sentences. Then pick a voice model that feels right to you. Now here's where most people mess up. They skip scene context and sample context. Huge mistake. If you want your AI voice to actually sound human and pass YouTube's monetization checks, you absolutely need to fill these in. Scroll to the bottom of your master prompt. You'll find both scene context and sample context waiting for you. Copy each one and paste it into its own separate section. Then paste your full script into the main text box and hit run. It'll take anywhere from 20 to 60 seconds depending on how long your video is. Once the audio finishes generating, give it a listen. Then download it and you're ready to go. Once your audio is polished, we move into image and video generation. Here's exactly how to knock it out. First, open Chrome. Search for this exact extension name on Google. Install VO Automation for images through Google Flow. Click the first link you see, then hit Add to Chrome. For image generation, head to Google Flow and start a new project. Copy your image prompts from ChatGPT, about 6 at a time. Open the VO Automation extension, select Text to Image, and paste your prompts in. Make sure you leave one blank line between each prompt. Set outputs per prompt to 2, then click Run. The extension will automatically generate and download images for every scene. No babysitting required. Repeat the same process for your remaining scenes. You'll end up with 2 versions of every scene. Keep the ones that look best. Now for video generation. We all know Google Flow isn't completely free, so here's a secret tool I found, totally free with unlimited credits. Go to Chrome and search VO AI Free, or check the link in my description or comments below. Once you land on the site, click Photo to Video. upload your image. Then head back to ChatGPT and grab the prompt for image to video. Paste it in. Adjust the settings to landscape mode. Then generate your video. Within minutes, it's ready. Repeat that same step for every remaining scene. And just like that, you've got all your visuals ready to go. Now comes the final assembly. I used a standard video editor to pull everything together. Here's the exact process. Once all your video clips are ready, import them into CapCut. Then, line each clip up with your voiceover timeline scene by scene. After that, just export. You're done. Now, here's the actual output of everything we just walked through. Enjoy. And hey, like and subscribe for the next one.
The world came closer to ending than most people will ever realize. Not in a distant war, not over years, but in just 13 days, when a single mistake could have erased everything. In October 1962, American spy planes captured something chilling over the island of Cuba. Missile sites under construction. Not ordinary weapons, but Soviet nuclear missiles, capable of striking major US cities in minutes. Behind the scenes, John F. Kennedy was handed photographs that changed the course of history.